Plant genetic resources. Dear students, in this module we will learn about what are plant genetic resources and different kinds of plant genetic resources. Plant genetic resources can be defined as any genetic material of plant origin of actual or potential value for food and agriculture, such as seed, tubers, and mature plant, etc. Along with soil and water, plant genetic resources constitute the foundation upon which agriculture and world food security are based. Plant genetic resources are used by farmers and scientists as a raw material for breeding new plant varieties and are reservoir of genetic diversities which act as a buffer against environmental and economic change. प्लांट जेनेटिक रिसोर्सेज न सिर्फ क्रॉप इम्प्रूवमेंट के लिए ज़रूरी हैं बल्कि साथ साथ ये तमाम स्पीशीज़ की सर्वाइवल के लिए भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करते हैं। Germplasm of a crop may be defined as the sum total of all hereditary material, such as all the alleles of various genes present in a crop species and its wild and weedy relative. It is also termed as genetic resources. Germplasm are living genetic resources such as seed or tissue that are maintained for purpose of animal or plant breeding, preservation, and other research purpose. These resources may take the form of seed collection stored in seeds bank, trees growing in nurseries, animal breeding line maintained in animal breeding programs, or the gene banks. Germplasm collection is important for the maintenance of biological diversity and the food security. Plant genetic resources can be broadly divided into two types depending upon the state of their domestication. The first type is cultivated plant genetic resources. These plants are grown by humans and need special attention. Wild genetic resources are those plants which are grown in wild and do not need any special attention. Alternatively, they may be termed as indigenous or exotic on the basis of their place of origin. Indigenous plants. These are native plants. This include plants that have developed or occurred naturally or exist for many years in an area. The second one, that is the exotic plant. Exotic is a plant that has been introduced to an area from outside its native range accidentally or purposefully. Here are different kinds of plant genetic resources. The first type is land races, obsolete varieties, varieties in the cultivation, breeding lines, and the last one is wild form and the wild relatives. Land races. A land race is a domesticated, locally adaptive, traditional variety of a species of animal or plant that has been developed over time through adaptation to its natural and cultural environment of agriculture and due to isolation from other population of the species. We can define it as a crop cultivar or animal breed that has been developed through traditional farming practice for many years in a particular locality without influence from modern agriculture science. There are some general features of these land races. The first one is it is morphologically distinctive and identifiable, and the next one is it is generally adaptive to and has a reputation for being able to withstand the condition of the local environment, including climate change, disease, and cultural practices. Obsolete varieties. Obsolete varieties are a kind of derived genetic resources. Improved varieties of recent past are known as obsolete varieties. These are the varieties which were popular earlier and now have been replaced by a new one. इनमें सबसे कॉमन एग्जाम्पल वीट वराइटीज़ की है जिसमें K68, K65 एंड PP591 जो कि सबसे कॉमन और ट्रेडिशनल वीट वराइटीज़ थी। ये सब टॉल वराइटीज़ थी जिनको बाद में हाई यील्ड ड्वार्फ मैक्सिकन वराइटीज़ ने रिप्लेस कर दिया। These varieties are well known for their attractive color and chapati making quality. Now those old one varieties are no more cultivated and just found in gene pool only. Thank you.